Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Access, your go-to channel for the latest in technology and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into a world where bits and bytes meet biology. That's right, we're talking healthcare. We're going to unpack 5 emerging technologies that are absolutely changing the game in 2024. Think AI diagnosing diseases with crazy accuracy, wearables that are basically like having a doctor on your wrist 24/7, and even 3D printing actual organs. This isn't sci-fi, people. This is the future of healthcare, and it's happening right now. So stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get into it. First up, we have artificial intelligence in diagnostics. You know, AI has been this kind of tech buzzword for a while, but in 2024, it's really hitting its stride, especially in healthcare. Think about it. Machine learning algorithms are analyzing massive data sets of medical images, like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, and they're finding things that even the most experienced doctors might miss. We're talking about detecting cancers at super early stages, predicting heart attacks before they happen, the whole 9 yards. This isn't about replacing doctors, though. It's about giving them a powerful new tool to make faster, more accurate diagnoses. And that means earlier treatment, better outcomes, and potentially saving a lot more lives. Next up, let's talk about wearable health tech. I mean, most of us are rocking a smartwatch or fitness tracker these days, right? But this goes way beyond just counting steps. We're talking about ECG monitors built right into your watch, blood pressure sensors, even continuous glucose monitors for diabetes management. The accuracy and sophistication of these sensors have gotten seriously impressive in 2024. They're practically medical grade now. And the best part? All this data isn't just staying on your wrist. It's being shared with your doctor in real time, giving them a constant window into your health. This means potential problems can be caught early, treatments can be adjusted on the fly, and you can be more proactive about your health than ever before. Chapter 3. Personalized medicine. Healthcare, tailored just for you. All right, now let's dive into something truly revolutionary: personalized medicine. Remember when I said this was about bits and bytes meeting biology? This is it. Thanks to huge advancements in genetic research, we can now analyze your DNA and figure out exactly how your body is going to respond to certain medications or treatments. This means no more trial and error with prescriptions, no more one-size-fits-all approaches. It's about getting the right treatment at the right dose, tailored specifically to your unique genetic makeup. This is next-level healthcare, people, and it's already making a huge difference in the fight against cancer, heart disease, and a whole bunch of other conditions. Chapter 4. The doctor will see you now. Virtually. Okay, so telemedicine isn't exactly brand new, but in 2024 it has leveled up in a big way. Forget just video chatting with your doctor. We're talking about advanced telehealth platforms with remote monitoring tools, AI-powered symptom checkers that can actually give you pretty accurate diagnoses, and even virtual health assistants that can schedule appointments and answer your questions 24/7. This is huge for people in rural areas, people with mobility issues, or anyone who just has trouble accessing traditional healthcare. It's about bringing healthcare to you on your terms, making it more convenient and accessible than ever before. Chapter 5. 3D bioprinting. Printing organs like it's 2024, because it is. Last but not least, let's talk about something straight out of a science fiction movie: 3D bioprinting. And no, I'm not making this up. Scientists are literally using 3D printers to create living tissues and organs using a patient's own cells. This is mind-blowing stuff, people. Imagine a world where you don't have to wait for an organ donor, where rejection is a thing of the past. We're already seeing bioprinted skin grafts being used to treat burn victims. And researchers are making incredible progress on printing functional organs like hearts, livers, and kidneys. This technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to completely revolutionize organ transplantation and regenerative medicine as we know it. The future of healthcare is looking pretty healthy. And there you have it, 5 emerging technologies that are transforming healthcare in 2024. Which one excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Data Access, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest videos. Stay tuned as we continue exploring how technology is shaping our world. Until next time, keep innovating and stay healthy. Next.